Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 21st, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, on the euro dollar, I mean, it's definitely been playing out perfectly ever since we ended what I think is likely the end of a pullback right here at the 50%. We got a nice impulsive up. I think it's a wave one. I think we got one, two, three waves down, wave two, and I think there's a good chance that we are now in a wave three. I think there's a very good likelihood we will go up and take out the previous highs on the 4 hour time frame. So, definitely looking for longs on sort of time frames. Now, this all depends on whether we get a pullback or not. I mean, it doesn't really have to pull back. I mean, it could keep on going up pretty easily, especially if it really is a wave three. But this area right here, if you go back to the 4 hour, or if you zoom out on the 1 hour, there is definitely a lot of support and resistance in this area in the past. So hopefully all that support resistance is going to be resistance again right now, and hopefully it's going to cause another little pullback for us today, because I would definitely be looking at a pullback as nothing more than a opportunity to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So if it does make a nice little pullback, that should give us another chance to go long, like another one, two, three pullback for the continuation of this uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.